Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the assembly of the Cherry 5 basket storage unit with fabric baskets. Before we get started, make sure you look at all the pieces included. If you're missing anything or have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. For step 1, you need part A, the top, part E, the center, 2 of part C, which are the upper vertical frames, and 8 of the J bolts. So first what you're going to want to do is take a look at the top. We're going to have the top upside down, so when you're looking at the top, you're going to see these 4 metal inserts facing upward. You're also going to want to note this ledge that hangs over only one side. Make sure you note that as we move forward. So first we're going to take these vertical pieces here, the vertical frames. You're going to see one of the sides that has 2 holes that match the distance of these metal inserts away. What you're going to want to do is align them. You're going to take a bolt, you're going to go through each of these holes, and you're going to secure them into place. You're going to repeat the same thing with the other vertical frame and align them with the 2 other metal inserts on the other side. So let's get all 4 of these bolts put into place. Next, what we're going to be doing is putting the centerpiece on top of the 2 frames that we just put in. Now again, remembering that ledge that's facing one direction, you want the ledge on the center frame facing the opposite direction. So the ledge here facing this way on the top, the ledge here facing this way on the centerpiece. Also with this ledge, you want it hanging over going downward. So then what we're going to do is we're going to align the furthest 2 holes here over these vertical frames, and we're going to put the last 4 bolts into place. For step 2, you need part F, the bottom, part D, the lower vertical frame, 2 of part J, the bolts, and 2 of part I, the pegs. First, for this step, what we're going to look at is the lower vertical frame. When looking at this, you're going to see 2 holes on each of the sides. Now, 2 of the holes will have metal inserts and 2 of them will not. It's really important that you look at each of these holes. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put the wooden pegs in this hole on the center piece that we already put into place, right in the center here. Now, you're going to put the 2 holes that do not have the metal inserts onto these wooden pegs. You're going to align it and push that into place. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom where this is going to secure right on top. Again, it's going to have this ledge. You're going to want that ledge hanging downward on the opposite side as the ledge from the top. So same thing we did with the centerpiece. You're going to align the center holes right over the top holes here of this vertical frame. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the last 2 bolts going down, which should go into those metal inserts. So let's get these last 2 bolts put into place. For step 3, you need 2 of part B, the sides, and 12 of the J bolts. So for this step, what we're going to be doing is putting on the sides. Now when looking at the sides, you're going to see one of the sides that has all of the metal inserts. You're going to want to have this facing in towards all of these center pieces. Also, there is going to be one of the edges that's going to have the feet. Now you're going to want to have the feet facing upward since we are assembling this upside down. So let's align this to each of these center places. We're going to have 2 bolts down here, 2 in the middle, and 2 in this bottom. So we're going to want to put all 6 into place. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other side and put all 12 bolts into place. And for the next step, you're going to want 2 of part G, the large basket and bottom panels, and 3 of part H, which are the small basket and bottom panels. So next what we're going to do is we're going to flip over the storage unit that we put together here. And then we're going to assemble the fabric baskets that go inside. Now when looking at the fabric baskets, you're going to take the basket body, you're going to open it up or unfold it. You're going to put the corresponding long basket bottom and insert it into the bottom of the basket and push it all the way down. This is what's going to hold the basket shape. Then these are going to get placed in each of the shelves. So we're going to assemble the rest of the baskets and put them in place. And that concludes the assembly of the Cherry 5 basket storage unit with fabric baskets. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, to please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.